guys, today we're going to do an iPhone XR. Got a cracked screen right here. And we're going to start by taking out these bottom panel screws. Put it on the hot plate for a couple minutes. Take the screen off. Take these brackets off here. And disconnect the power and the flex cables. Take off the old adhesive. Clean it up with a little alcohol. Gross. Transfer the proximity sensor from the old screen to the new screen. Put a new seal on it. Test the new screen. There's the Apple logo, guys. Put the brackets back in. Take the seal off. Close it up. And we're all done.